I am using an AI tool called Opus Clip to actually create these short videos for me. So having a free program that you can test out your theories on, see what it does, see what the bang for the buck is completely unparalleled when it comes to this tool. And one of the reasons for this is because say this is a 20-minute video, it takes a little bit of time to spit these out because what AI does is it assesses the whole video. And when you use the upgraded version, because you can use do a free trial on the upgraded version, it will give you a virality score, meaning when they make these videos, it'll tell you, okay, like we think this one's going to do better than this one. I just test all of them. And one of the reasons is because you never know what words in what order is going to resonate with someone and completely change the way they think about things. To be honest with you, I've been able to do all of this on their free plan. To be honest with you,